Hi, today I'm furnished with POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, click Manage Accounts on this device, tap to Google account and click here to More. Then just click Remove Account. Confirm your action by Remove Account again. Just enter one from your protect methods if you use them. Now in account settings, in Google account settings, we just log out successfully from Google account. So let's go back to the application, and in the app we can also see that we just successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.